DJ Mavi or Mavi Gale Vlog, ang yung DJ po na di perfecto pero marunong makontento. And by the way, we will be unboxing our first, or it's not first, it's sponsor package from our friend, okay, from USA, California. And he is Mr. James Trapp or Jimmy Trapp. Thank you so much for this. I just received it today. And guys, to unbox and set up by microphone set with the sound card. Thank you so much. See ya! Tara, buksan na natin. Tulungan niyo ako. I just want to thank Mr. Jimmy Trapp or James Trapp for your generosity and kindness as always, and thank you for the efforts and everything. I really appreciate this. Team Loyal Mavinatics love you, and Team Alliance and everybody loves you. Thank you so much. Forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on my next video. Thank you.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to